Do you know how nanotechnology can help to enhance the performance of the engine, especially the engine of the military vehicles that been used by the Malaysian Armed Forces? I will explain on that. Hi, I am Lieutenant Thachnatharen from the National Defence University of Malaysia. In this research, we are focusing on how we want to infuse the nanotechnology in this engine to enhance its performance. As you can see from this image here, there are several vehicles that were used by the Malaysian Armed Forces for their training, operation and also their warfare itself. These engines are being used under a very high temperature and also pressure in a rugged terrain in order for their operation and also for warfare itself. So these engines are processed with very high temperature and pressure. This will reduce the performance of engine. Therefore, we need to enhance the performance of the engine using nano lubricant. What is nano lubricant? From the second image, you can see how does the nano lubricant is formulated. Nano lubricant is formulated when the nanoparticle is mixed with the base oil by homogenization and sonation to get a homogeneous solution of the nano lubricant. So now in this research I am using MOS2, which is molybdenum disulfide, and also HBN, which is hexagonal boron nitrate. The two nanoparticles is infused and nano engineered in this nano lubricant in order to improve the performance. Especially for this research, we are focusing on this tribological property. The tribological property is analyzed using a 4-ball tribo tester. The 4-ball tribo tester will test the coefficient of friction and also the average wear scar diameter. For the third image, you can see that that's the result of this experiment. For this experiment, the result was phenomenal because the reduction percentage using the 4-ball tribo tester for the coefficient of friction is around 63%, whereas for the average wear scar diameter was around 35%. How does this nanoparticle in nano lubricant is reducing the coefficient of friction as well as the average wear scar diameter? This can be explained using two phenomena. The two phenomena are bending effect and also triboflume formation. What is bending effect? Bending effect when the nanoparticle in this nano lubricant deposit in between the micro cracks and smoothens the surface. As the surface is smoothened, the coefficient of friction and average wear scar diameter is reduced drastically. Second is the triboflume formation. Triboflume formation is where there is a protective layer formed in between the metal, which causes there is no direct contact of the metal, which reduces the coefficient of friction and also the average wear scar diameter. This proves that the nano lubricant really enhanced the performance of the engine by reducing the coefficient of friction and also average wear scar diameter and enhance the performance of the engine. That's all from me. Thank you.